Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. Rejuvenating your breasts and lose weight with pineapple. It's normal for women to have saggy breasts at some point in their lives, especially those who are older, because breasts tend to lose elasticity for a few reasons. But still, no one wants droopy breasts, especially if there's a way for you to correct it. Pineapples are the best solution to this problem. All you have to do is eat plenty of them. Pineapples are believed to be an antioxidant miracle. It's highly beneficial for women as they are packed in nutrients that help restore the skin's elasticity, which is very useful when breasts start to lose their firmness. If you want to have better results, try to eliminate coffee from your diet, and quit smoking and drinking. You'll be surprised with the early results. Pineapples and weight loss. Aside from the fact that pineapples can help the body become stronger and more resilient against infections and diseases, this healthy fruit contains no fat, making it a great snack for anybody wishing to lose weight. One pineapple is approximately 86% water, which can help to bring the feeling of fullness for very few calories. Last but not least, pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain, which is only found in pineapple, is claimed to be effective for reducing inflammation and aiding in digestion. Both of these processes can help with weight loss. Low in calories, nutrient-rich and a good source of fiber makes this tropical treat a great addition to any diet. So what are you waiting for? Start including pineapples into your diet to reap all the benefits of this amazing fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel.